welcome back to Geetu's healthy cooking series. Today I'm going to show you a spicy tomato sauce. Now this sauce is absolutely natural, free of any preservatives, additives or thickeners or stabilizers, and you can refrigerate and use it for at least a week. So we are just going to see the ingredients first and then we are going to make the sauce. Okay, let's see the ingredients first. I've taken 3 medium-sized tomatoes. I've cooked them. You can pressure cook the tomatoes in a pressure cooker for 2 minutes, and I've retained the peel for better nutrition. I have soaked in organic apple cider vinegar about 1/4 cup, some dry red chillies which are easily available at any grocery store. I also have powdered Indian molasses or jaggery as they are commonly called. 2 tablespoons of powdered jaggery. I have 3 cloves of organic garlic, 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. There's half teaspoon of black pepper powder. There's 1 teaspoonful of ginger powder and a teaspoonful of cumin seed powder. Now to make our tomato sauce even more healthier, I've taken 2 teaspoons of flaxseed oil. This is also organic flaxseed oil. And now we are just going to blend all these ingredients together. So our spicy yummy tomato sauce is ready, and it is very easy. You have seen that you just need to pressure cook the tomatoes, and only one thing I would like to point out is that the color of the sauce may vary because it depends on the pigment, the red pigment that the tomatoes have. So if you have the most bright red tomatoes with you, you will have a much more darker sauce. But it is so yummy and so tangy, smells so beautiful, and it is absolutely nutritious, full of nutrients containing vitamin A, C, antioxidants, beta carotene. It has zeaxanthin, it has lutein. All this is good for your eye health, and it also, the flaxseed oil which I have used contains omega-3 fatty acids, and this omega-3 fatty acid in the flaxseed oil is especially very beneficial for the internal lining of your intestines. Plus, tomatoes are low calorie, so it is a low calorie sauce which you can use, retain, keep it in the fridge, and it is versatile. Use it with anything you like, with your chips, with your fritters, with burgers, in your wraps. Enjoy. And if you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.